Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We were camping out in Folsom Lake this weekend and figured we'd give you a tour of the van. Let's go. So we'll start right here. We just installed some artificial turf in our backyard recently. Got some leftover, so we made a little turf for our entrance. Let's go inside. Here we have our cabinet. We wanted some place to put our clothes, so we built this cabinet out of 3/4 inch plywood. Bought these from IKEA, and I handmade these handles myself with leather and a few attachments. You pull them out, and you got our clothes. Nikki gets 2 drawers, I get 2 drawers. And right below here, we have a milk crate where we put all of our food. Up next, we have our bench where we have our pull-out toilet and where we keep our shoes and hiking boots. And Nikki loves to sit here and we can chat. One person here, one person in our bed. This is our bed. It is a IKEA twin size mattress and bed frame. Picked it up from Facebook Marketplace for $10. The bed frame, not the mattress. But we cut it up, modified it so it fits this way. It is a little tight for me. I am about 5'5". We make it work. So right behind me, right there, is wallpaper off of Amazon. I love it. I have a 1/4 inch plywood in the back there, secured directly into the frame of the van. And then over here we have a beadboard that is completely white and spans across the whole van. Up here we have cedar plank ceiling secured directly into the frame of the van with, I believe it was a 1-inch self-drilling screw. Underneath all of the walls, we have double insulation. We have the ISO polyform boards, and then on top of that, we use something that's similar to Reflectix. I don't remember what it's called, but we'll link it in our description. So all of our furniture, the cabinets, the bed, we also have a cabinet over on this side that I'll show you in a little bit, but all of that is drilled directly into our 3/4 inch plywood. If you want to check out how we did our floors, how we did our insulation, check out our other videos. So we found this cabinet on the side of the road, and I thought it would work really well in Finn. So cleaned it up, painted it, added some type of wallpaper, parchment paper that Nikki bought from Paris, and also made this little leather handle. Pull it out, put it in, this comes out. Our shower stuff is usually in here. As you can see, we have the shower head here. And to make sure nothing opens while we're driving, this is a pressed penny from a national park that you turn. Well, you gotta fix this, but when you turn it and it tightens, it doesn't open up. So that's how it works. Right behind our bench, we have a little nook back here where we keep our foldable chairs. We have a pee bottle, and we have our propane heater with a little cubby for all of our propane containers. We're gonna add some more shelves up back here to add a little, all of our little knickknacks that, let's say, extra batteries, headlamps, and stuff like that. Right up here, we have hooks. This is where we normally keep our jackets. And once in a while, if we have backpacks, we'll hook it up here as well. So right here, we have a little organizer. We normally put our step stool back here. We have bear spray, screwdriver. Normally our scissors are here. We have our cooler, which hopefully we can replace with a refrigerator soon. And we have also a bag of tools underneath our seat. We have hammocks, and we have our sunshade, and we just recently put up this rope with our curtains, blackout curtains actually, and it works really well at night. One really cool thing is during the summer there's lots of bugs, so I created this bug net myself. Bought some mosquito nets from Amazon, got some black duct tape, and behind the black duct tape are magnets. Basically both sides have magnets, and we'll just close it up just like that. And on the sides, it's secured by double-sided Velcro. Welcome to the back of the van. All we have is lots of storage underneath the bed. I actually made the legs myself, the bottom of the bed frame. Top part is IKEA, but I made these custom so it fits our needs. Right here we have our tire table, which is really useful. I highly recommend getting a tire table if you do a lot of camping, dispersed camping. We have our paddle board. We're hanging out in the lake at the lake right now, so we have floaties. We have a pop-up tent. We have our wagon, and just, lots of stuff. It fits a lot of stuff. This side is usually our firewood, and that side is usually our kitchen bin. Last but not least, we have the back of the driver's seat. And this is where I keep all of our emergency kit. We have our emergency battery chargers thing. We have an air pump for our inflatable kayak. Kayak and stand-up paddleboard. Stuff for our wheels, tire pump, etc. First aid kit's back here too, so small space, but it fits a lot. And look at this big fella, Chowder. If you are looking to adopt, rescue, foster, anything like that, we're gonna link where you can foster and adopt Samoyeds and other dogs.